How to use our Pro TradingView Indicator to automate your trade with any brokers of your choice. In order to get access to all our Pro Indicator in TradingView, first you need to subscribe to the Autobot Trading Signals. Once you subscribe, you will have access to all our Pro Indicator available on our platform. Now, let's go to our Pro Signal on our website. Click on it, scroll down. You will see all our indicators right here. For now, we have only 3 Pro indicators. We have the break-in volume surge signals. We have the candle break with crossing MA signal, candle break with SAR. Let's go to our TradingView. When TradingView is opened, go to Indicators, click on it. Scroll down to Invite Only Scripts. Click on it, then you can place a star on your favorite indicator right here. Now we have candle break with crossing MA signal, candle break with SAR signal, and also candle break with volume surge signals. Let's click on our candle break with SAR signal right here to apply these indicators to our chart. Once the indicator is applied onto our chart, you can see it's right here. All the parabolic SAR, but you don't see the signal. Okay, to get the signal, you needed to tweak something. Let's go to our indicator right here. Click on the setting wheel. And here in the setting, we can see we have signal key, candle count, start, increment, and max value. These 3 inputs are the input of the parabolic SAR. You can change it to your like. In this case, I will keep all the input of the parabolic SAR the same. I'm going to change the candle count to 1 so that I can start to see some signal. Here, we got the sell signal right here. For the signal key, you can input any numbers or letters to your likes. In this case, I'm gonna put A, B, C as my signal key so that we can use our input signal key right here to link to our Autobot. So once everything is set, I'm gonna click on OK. So now we get done on our indicator setting. Next, we are going to create an alert so that we can trigger the trade automatically on our Autobot. You can create an alert by clicking on the clock with the plus signs icon right here, or you can also go into the clock sign icon right here, click on plus, create alert right here. Now, let's go to our alert with the clock signs, click on it. First, let's go to our notification. Scroll down and you must check or enable Webhook URL right here by passing this web address. You can find this web address link down below in the description of the video right here. Just copy and paste it right here. Go back to the setting. Now in condition, we're going to change this currency alert to our indicator alert right here. Once you click on it, then you can going down right here, we have the expiration of your alert. You can set the time on it. So here, name your alert. You can delete all of this long name right here by keeping this short name, or you can just delete completely and name it on your own. Then click on create. Once you click on create, you will see your alert is active right here. So now every time when we have the buy signal or the sell signal appear on the chart, then it's going to trigger the alert and it will send the signal of this sell signal to our Autobot. In order to get this done and automated to your brokers, now let's go to your Autobot. Here in your Autobot, I am going to automate the trade with pocket option. So I will click on connect. Click on log in. Now, here is the signal key. So the signal key on our TradingView is A, B, C as we remember. Just going to your setting, check your signal key right here, A, B, C. Go back to your Autobot and input the same signal key right here so that the signal of the TradingView will send directly to our Autobot. Then click on save. Once the save is done, you can see that the signal key appear on the top right here, A, B, C. It means that our signal is active from TradingView. Now let's go to the setting. On the amount, you can input any amount of your like. You can use it $1, $5, or $10, up to you. So in this case, I am going to use $5 right here. For the duration, it will be depend on your indicators. So here in my indicator, I set it into 1 minute. Our alert also 1 minute. Then it makes sense to set it to 1 minute. And on the martingale, if you don't want to use martingale, you can change the multiplier to 1. But if you wanted to apply martingale, so I recommend it to use 2.5. Every time when the first trade is lost, it will multiply with the 2.5, and then it will going to execute the next trade. As you can see right here, I have $10 lost, and then the next trade it multiplied with the 2.5, and then we got the next trade right here, 25. If we win on the 25, we are going to recover the $10 loss and make some profit. And the step here, it starts to count when the first one is lost. For the first one is lost, we call 0 step. Then it's going to multiply it for the first time with 2.5. So we got the amount $25. This is called step 1. Step 2, on and on. Until we win, then we will return back to our initial trade at $10. Just an example. Now, let's have a look at our filter right here. Here on our filter, I set it to 70%. 70% is the return profit from the brokers. As you can see an example right here, we get this trigger but not executed because of the profit limit. It means the broker limit their payout. The payout is less than 70%, so it's not safe to trade. So I'm going to filter that out. Now, on our target profits and loss, you can enable it and set the amount that you wanted the bot to start and stops. Here on our target profit, you can just highlight your mouse on the question mark right here. You will see how this target profit is calculated. The target profit is equal to capital plus profit. So it means your setting amount right here must be greater than your capital. The same things go to our stop loss right here. Just highlight onto the question mark. You will see stop loss equal capital minus loss. The stop loss must be less than your capital. How much less you want your bot to stop, then you can just minus that. For me, I'm not going to use the target profits and stop loss because I will manually stop the trade and start the trade whenever I want. Because all of this setting of money management, I use it with the martingale right here. So that's it. Now you are automating the trade from our Pro Signal in TradingView to execute the trade to any brokers of your choice. That's it. Take care, everyone.